Hello and welcome. So, ang reading natin ngayon is may magko-confess sa iyo. Alright? So, alamin natin kung sino ito magko-confess at tungkol saan ang i-confess niya sa inyo. So, this is collective and general reading. Kunin nyo lang guys kung saan ka nakaka-resonate. Ito ay timeless and whenever you watch this reading, ito ay may dapat kang malaman at ito ay para din sa inyo. Ano? So, again, kamusta ka mga kapatid? Sana kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan at okay kayo, buckle up, dahil magugulat ka sa malalaman mo sa taong ito at kung sino itong taong magko-confess sa iyo. Alright, so, alamin natin itong taong ito. Our spirit ka ni Diyos, sino itong tao na magko-confess sa ating mga collective? Okay, so Ace of Pentacles is about money. So there is like a big opportunity, an offer. This could be related sa inyong trabaho. Trabaho, negosyo, whatever related sa inyong finances. Okay, I'm also getting like this could be the person na nagsusuporta sa inyo. Alright, so tell me more about the person na gusto magko-confess or may nais i-confess sa ating mga collective. Sino itong taong ito? Oh my God. Alam nyo guys, may nadaglag parang baraha kanina. Hindi ko nakita. But anyway, tapos na yung reading kanina. Hindi ko napansin. Okay, so, we have here Page of Swords. So, this could be a person na struggle, ano? Okay. Maybe this person is like struggle about finances. So, kaya magko-confess siya sa inyo. Magko-confess siya siguro dahil may struggle siya sa finances niya, no? Or may i-share. Mag-share siguro siya ng tungkol sa kanyang problema pagdating sa pera. So, it's up to you guys if you are willing to listen about this person's problem. Lalo-lalo na kung ito'y katrabaho ninyo or a business partner, itong taong ito ay mag-open up, sasabihin or magkikwento siya sa inyo tungkol sa finances. Siguro kailangan niya ng malaking pera at ikaw ay malaking tulong para sa kanya. So, it's still up to you kung gusto mong tulungan itong taong ito. Alright? Okay. Or pakinggan itong taong ito. Kasi minsan naman kahit na may mag-share sa inyo ng problema, hindi lahat ay totoo ang sinasabi. Ewan ko ba kung may ganung tao na kailangan pang maggawa-gawa ng storya para lang ma-hook kapag ka, no, or maawa ka. Ba't hindi nilang sabihin yung totoo? Bakit pa ba magsisinungaling? So, yeah, si universe nang bahala sa mga taong magsisinungaling, no? Para lang maawa ka, para lang mapakinggan mo siya or mapautang mo siya or something like that. Kasi meron itong related sa finances No, struggle siya dahil sa finances niya. And maybe malaki ang may bibigay mong tulong sa kanya. No, so again, it's still up to you, mga kapatid, kung gusto mong tulungan itong taong ito. So what else pa? Sorry guys, medyo nagre-reverse itong ibang barahan natin. Ayoko kasi nagre-reverse yung barahan. Nag-remix yung energy. And Spirit Guardian, just tell me more about this person because this person is struggling. Tell me more about this struggling. Ba't pa nag-struggle itong taong ito? Okay, I'm also getting like another information. Itong taong ito is siguro may magbayad ng utang. Dahil noong time na struggle siya, itong taong ito ay lalapit at mag-share. Siguro may share sa inyo na ay either tulong or magbabayad utang. Again, siguro noon malaki ang binigay mong tulong sa kanya and this is like a payback because you deserve this. And I'm also getting like this is a help, tulong na binigay ng universe para sa iyo about this person. Malaki. Okay, this is also all right. There is a gift. Wow. Biglang nagbago yung energy from finances, nagiging tulong kay universe. There's a gift na ibinigay ni universe kung ikaw ay struggle, no? Kung struggle ka man, whatever it is na struggle ka, ito ay gift ng universe para sa iyo na darating. There will be a big blessings na darating sa inyo, mga kapatid. Ano ba to? May magko-confess tapos biglang naging big blessings, Siguro itong confession na ito ay malaking blessings para sa inyo na malaman ito, no? Lalo na kung ito ay finances because this is like the Hierophant. This could be related sa inyong marriage. Okay? So, a confession at the truth to reveal na kung ikaw itong nanalangin na sana ay magiging maganda ang inyong financially stability ng partner ninyo, ito ay bibigyan ng universe. As long as pag kayo ay nananalangin mga kapatid, manalangin kayo ng mula sa inyong puso. Dahil ito ay bibigyan ng universe. It might take time, dadaan man kayo sa mga pagsubok, and this blessings, a gift na ibibigay ng universe sa inyo, deserve mo to. When the time comes. Lalo-lalo na ito is related sa marriage. Kung ikaw ay struggle, there's like a confession about struggle about sa finances, kaya siguro hindi ka makasal-kasal ng person ninyo. Maybe that's if you are in a relationship mga kapatid, it's like siguro struggle ang person ninyo dahil sa finances, dahil hindi ka pa niya kaya na iharap sa simbahan or magpakasal, sabihin natin magpakasal, dahil struggle siya sa finances niya. Ito ang nasa loobin niya na siguro nahirapan siya na sabihin sa yung totoo. This could be the reason kaya hindi pa siya makapag-offer sa iyo ng stability or a marriage, no? And meron tayo ditong partnership. Okay? There's like a partnership dito na maybe soon you will be signing up an offer. I'm getting like there is a guidance. Like again, sabi ko na kanina yung gift ng universe. Alright? I'm getting like, parang nagiging confession ni universe na gift niya sa iyo. There will be like a signing contract. Okay? A signing contract about siguro remarried, magpapakasal, meron siguro itong bagong magpapakasal or may magpapakasal muli. Meron naman dito as a gift ng universe is financially stable, stability sa iyo at ng partner ninyo. Meron naman dito na most likely talaga is like a universe gift for you. No? Business proposal, signing contract, marriage. Soon, ang iyong struggle ay matatapos din to, mag-i-end din ito. Ganun talaga, no? Bago pa matatanggap ang magandang buhay, everybody get through all of these challenges. Yeah. Kakaharapin mo muna itong mga challenges, itong mga pagsubok bago maranasan ang magandang buhay. And now you deserve to achieve this. You will be signing a contract. May kontrata dito. A new beginning, a new offer, whatever it is, guys, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakasunit. Kasi yung reading natin is about confession, no? May magko-confess siguro na marriage proposal. Maybe this person, soon, kung siya ay struggle sa finances, magpo-propose din siya, darating din ang panahon na pag stable na yung finances niya, kaya niya na yung magpakasal ka o harapin ka na, yes, your person is going to ask you to marry him or marry her. Something like that about marriage proposal. Wow. This is something big. Something big is happening soon. You know what? Alamin natin kung kailan ito mangyari, itong malaking darating sa inyo. Wow. Itong reading na ito nagiging mix gift na universe, something big, may malaking mangyayari para sa inyo. And a confession, magugulat ka talaga dito sa confession na ito. It's about a person and a gift from the universe confession. Alright, Spirit Courageous, kailan ito mangyayari, itong malaking pagbabago, new beginning, itong ganap ito. Kailan ito mangyayari? Itong gift ng universe sa ating mga viewers. Kailan? Ano ba yan? So, 8 days on the 8 weeks. Okay, wow. Starting today or tomorrow, wow, 111. 1-1 talaga. On the 11th or the 1 tomorrow. Okay, maybe you are the one. You are the chosen one. Meron tayo dito. You are the chosen one, so you deserve this. Okay? I'm also getting like a confession of it's like a job. No, sa trabaho. Sabihin natin sa trabaho, may i-evolve. Siguro your boss might gonna call you, tatawagin ka, sabihin na may good news ako sa iyo. You get this job. Ikaw yung top 1 natin, ikaw itong ganyan-ganyan, magle-level up ka, kapatid. Because you deserve this. You will be getting this, a big news, a opportunity, 11. Number 11, number 18, number 8. Something 1, 1, and 8. Or you could check this meaning of spiritual in a spiritual number. Okay? 1, 1 or 181. Yeah, there is like a confession dito, no, na a new beginning, a new transformation sa inyo. Spirituality. May mag-i-evolve sa inyo in spirituality or in a spiritual world. Lalo-lalo na kung ikaw itong, it's like you will be ascending into a different level. Magle-level up ka, mga kapatid. Okay? I-affirm nyo to. I will be leveling up. I am leveling up. I am stable. I deserve financial stability. I deserve a big news from the universe. I deserve this new beginning from the universe. I am done with all of these struggles. I am finally facing the new opportunity from the universe. I am blessed and I deserve them all. You deserve this, mga kapatid. Nagiging more on spiritual ang ating confession, ano, from the universe. Wow. Okay. So we have here a number 11, 18, 1. Maybe starting today, whenever you watch this reading, or the next day, bukas na, no? Or in 8 days, 1 week, 11 days, 18 days. So again, kunin nyo lang guys kung saan ka nakasunit. At bumalik kayo dito sa reading na ito. If any of this na nabanggit ko dito, no, na a gift from the universe, changes, offer, transformation, financial stability, yung struggle ninyo sa finances ninyo, mag-i-end ito. May magle-level up sa inyo. That's a huge transformation. Stability. More on stability sa inyo. Finances. Help from the universe. Tulong. Embrace nyo ito. Tanggapin nyo itong tulong ng universe. Kahit mapamaliit o malaki. Tanggapin nyo buong buo, mga kapatid. Dahil ito ay tulong from the universe. Alright? Huwag nyo baliwalain ito. So, ano pa? Let's know more about love. Okay. So, I know meron itong gustong malaman itong love confession. Tell us more about love confession sa ating mga collective. Anong dapat na malaman? Okay. Or sino ito magko-confess when it comes to their love feelings sa ating mga collective? Okay, let's get this. Queen of Pentacles. So this person's very stable. Alright, this could be a person na, like again, makikilala ninyo or makikilala pa lang. Or siguro kilala nyo na. Again guys, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakasunit dahil ito ay collective, ano, timeless. So this person is like, okay, high demand. Something about high demand. Mapera. High standard. Very, mabuti itong tao ito, no? Very, strategic. Ang dami niyang strategy. Boss energy. Stable ang kanyang finances. Very, smart. You are dealing with a person na napakas matalino. Mapalalaki, babae. Yeah, this person is very strategic. Alam mo yung mata niya, napaka-attractive. Okay? Matangos ang ilong, siguro sa balat. Yeah. This person could be like, I'm getting like the sun. No? This person give you an opportunity. Yeah. Like again, nasabi ko na earlier, there's like a contract. Maybe this person is going to ask you to sign a paper or something about this person na magkakaroon ng changes about you. This could be related sa pera, gift, okay, gift or proposal. Any proposal, work, business, sa school, alright, kasi meron dito mag-e-elevate or mag-e-evolve. Kasi meron itong makakatanggap ng reward. Yeah. So, anong i-confess na tungkol sa iyo? Spirit Guardians, anong i-confess ng the Queen of Pentacles sa ating mga collective? What is all about this confession? Okay, malakas dito yung marriage. Marriage, stability, proposal. Okay? So again, this person, itong taong ito, okay, if this is about like admirer, kung itong taong ito ina-admire ka, before this person's coming in para mag-confess sa inyo, or mag-offer sa inyo, this person is building, no? Binibuild niya muna ang kanyang self-esteem. Pinapatatag niya muna ang kanyang sarili. Or this person is like building their plan on how to confront or talk to you. How to confess. Kung paano niya ilalabas ang kanyang nasa saloobin or sasabihin yung dapat niyang sabihin sa inyo. Like again, this person on working on, like busy siya muna sa kanyang finances, sa pagpapalago, or sa kanyang sarili, self-esteem, self-love, self-care, bago niya i-approach ka, bago kanya kausapin. Siguro kakausapin ka niya within 8 days, the next day, 11 days, 11 weeks, 8 days, or on the 11, on the 1, on the 1st, siguro nangyari na ito ngayon or kahapon lang. Hindi ba dito? Or on the 8 days? Not longer than that. Again, we have here 8 and 4. Stability, more on stability. There is like a good offer, confession for you. So it's still up to you guys if you wanna take this or not. Huwag nyo tong kaligtaan. Hindi mo to makakaligtaan, mga kapatid. An offer from this person. Work offer, or siguro a reward offer, or something about a reward, or marriage, or proposal, okay, or partnership. So it's up to you guys if you wanna accept this kind of proposal, ano? Okay. Anong intensyon ng taong ito sa pagpo-propose or pagko-confess? Anong intensyon niya sa ating mga collective? Okay. Anong intensyon niya sa ating mga collective itong proposal? Alright. So, meron naman dito sa obsessed. Maybe this person's very obsessed about you. Okay. Obsessed, gusto niya talaga na ma-locked in ka, na maging kayo na hindi ka na makakawala pa. This could be like, again, love situation. Or, it could be work-related na gusto niyang ma-lock in, no? Ma-lock in, like, you know what I mean, na hindi ka na makakawala pa. Siguro, this could be, I'm also getting like sa trabaho, no? Para talaga hindi ka naalis. Sabihin natin na mag-offer siya ng, or yung boss mo, na mag-offer siya na magiging permanent ka na sa business niya, or sa company niya, para hindi ka na makaalis pa. Dahil you deserve this. Magiging boss ka na, magiging manager ka na, magiging teacher ka na, whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam dahil iba-iba yung sitwasyon ninyo dito. Alright? So again, if this is about a relationship, this person is very obsessed about you. This person wants to be in control about you, or want to be with you forever. Wow, forever na. Sana ikaw ng forever niya. Okay? And again, this person finding strength. Kasi meron dito, yung intention niya is, you make them happy. You make them feel good. Happy and good, stable. It's like, despite all the challenges, you are different than the others. Ibang-iba ka sa nakikilala niya. Okay? There's like something about you na you change this person. You guys are, it's like a healing. You heal this person. No? It's like you are like a teacher for this person. Marami siya natutunan sa inyo. And that's why this person wants to offer you something better na hindi ka na makakawala pa, whatever it is. Dahil kayo ay mabuting tao. Workaholic. May tiwala sa Panginoon. Attractive. Matapang. Magaganda. Gwapo. Okay? Talented. That's how this person sees you, or this company, or whoever this person. Kasi mix tayo dito eh. An opportunity, work, relationship. It could be studies, no? Yes. This person is going to offer you, yung intention niya kasi is, kilalang kilala ka. A lot of people recognize you. You're like a celebrity. Maybe meron dito magiging celebrity din dito eh. I'm getting like soon you will be very specific. If you want to be a celebrity like a TikTok or sabihin natin na magiging viral, may magvo-viral dito sa inyo. Siguro maano ka sa ano no sa social media. Marami kang mga followers. And that's why this person seeing you like a believer. This person believe in you. Okay? Lalong-lalo na sa this is like an opportunity, a confession, no? Again, nasabi ko na kanina, the universe will give you this opportunity. May magva-viral sa inyo dito. Maging kilala ka ng mga tao. Whatever it is. Maging kilala ka ng mga tao. People sees you very talented. It's like a teacher. It's like ma-attract sila sa inyo. Like again, whatever you do, keep going. Because this will bring you to success, opportunity. Patuloy lang sa pagtatrabaho, do what's best for you and for whatever you do. Kasi deserve mo to. Deserve mo itong gift ng universe para sa iyo. Meron siguro ditong yung finances ninyo, lalaki. Or makakatanggap ka siguro ng bonus or a gift. Meron naman dito magba-viral or magiging celebrity. Wow. One day, the next day, 11 days, 1 week, 8 days, 8 weeks. Congratulations mga kapatid. Alright, balik kayo dito pagka nag-viral na kayo. Wow. Okay, believe in yourself. Kailangan talaga is confident. May tiwala sa sarili at tiwala sa Panginoon. Yun lang naman. Alright, so how these people, why this person, the reason kung bakit siya magko-confess sa inyo is because this person sees you very healing, no? Happiness, stable. Okay, this person sees you to have a happy family, happy ending, or wants you to lock you up, no? Na ma-stuck ka na sa kanya forever. Or this person sees you na workaholic, magaling sa negosyo. And you could be also be a celebrity, no? People sees you very successful. Titingalain ka ng mga tao. And also, tinitingala ka rin ng taong ito o ng boss mo. And you deserve this. Siguro you might be getting like a reward, no? That's also a transformation for you. There will be transformation for your finances or stability. Malakas dito ang transformation sa iyong stability. Okay? So, love is about marriage, proposal, okay? I'm confident. Yeah, this person sees you very confident. Okay? And magko-confess sa inyo na gusto niya lang na sabihin sa inyo na they admire you. Ina-admire ka niya sa pagiging malakas mo, matapang, maganda, gwapo, very confident, happy family, happy-go-lucky, workaholic. Okay? Soul contract, maybe this is about your marriage, no, your partner. Maybe you have this soul contract with your person. And your person still, I'm hearing like longing for you. Maybe this is your ex-spouse, still longing for you, obsessed about you, thinking about you, hoping na siguro may second chance pa, kung may chance pa sa inyo. Another confession from this person. Okay, I'm also like, this is like you could be dealing with a person na mataas ang pride sa sarili. Para bang, your person's like thinking of not to show other feelings. But then again, deep down, your person namimiss niya itong nakaraan ninyo. Okay? Namimiss niya. Kaya lang, ang ipinapakita niya sa iyo is opposite, if this is about your ex. Pinapakita niya na wala na, or talagang wala na siya pakialam. But then deep down, your person is like missing this happy moment with you together. Yung nakaraan ninyo. Okay? But then again, this is a confession. A confession na hindi man lang niya nasabi yung iba dito. Meron naman dito magko-confess sa inyo within tomorrow or on 11 days, 1 day or the next day, 8 days. Again, guys, this confession is soon to happen. This will give you achievement. This is like an achievement or a gift from the universe, work, or marriage proposal, or magle-level up na relationship, from long-term relationship na magiging forever na. Forever na yung relationship ninyo, marriage. Meron naman dito na contract na may, I don't know, for some reason, I keep hearing like soul contract. I have to say it. Kasi yung dila ko parang gustong sabihin yung soul contract. So, whatever it is, maybe you are dealing with a person na with a soul contract. Okay? Kaya siguro, you could be dealing with a twin flame or a soulmate. Kaya, hindi kayo basta-basta talaga magkakahiwalay ng taong ito. There will be like more but again guys, when it comes to relationship, wala naman talagang perfecto pagdating sa relationship, may mga challenges talaga. Especially if you have this soul contract with this person, even if there is a challenges, hindi pa rin kayo magkakahiwalay ng taong ito. You will be forever until the next life. Wow, this is like a heavy message or deep message for you here, collective. Okay, so yes or no na tayo. Okay, you could be dealing with a person na magko-confess sa inyo, earth sign, fire sign. Okay, the Hierophant, earth sign, meron tayong earth sign dito, the devil. Fire sign, malakas itong earth sign natin. Earth and fire sign. Okay, the Hierophant is Taurus. That's also like a earth sign. And we also have the devil, the Capricorn. And the strength, Leo. Okay. Yep. Okay, so very strong here. Limit lang, okay, konti lang dito yung fire sign, ang ano natin dito, air sign. Karamihan is earth and fire sign that you are dealing right now, or about this person na magko-confess sa inyo. Alright, so yes or no na tayo mga kapatid. Okay. Oh, you know what? Advice na tayo from the universe kung anong advice ng universe sa inyo pagka mag-confess itong tao sa inyo. This person. Spirit guardians, anong advice mo sa ating mga collective about this person na magko-confess sa ating mga collective? The person na magko-confess. Advice, please. Okay, the Fool. Just take a leap of faith. Nasa sa inyo na mga kapatid kung if you wanna take this person, a new beginning, the death. Again, if there's kung may nagkakaroon man ng ending, nag-end sa inyo, it's up to you if you want to take a chance, with this person. Or mag-sign contract, nasa sa inyo yan kung mag-sign contract ulit kayo. Or if you wanna choose this. Kasi meron itong, you might be surprised. There is like a surprise or a good changes about this person or this confession. This person na darating or opportunity. Kasi karamihan sa inyo dito is a big opportunity ang darating. Tomorrow, today, could be happening already yesterday or few days ago, or in 8 days, on the 11, on the 18. The Chariot is also represent mabilisang offer or surprise. No? You could be receiving a multiple confess. Siguro dalawa magko-confess sa inyo, or siguro you might have this dealing at multiple choices or option. So it's up to you guys kung alin option ang pipiliin ninyo. All right? So yes or no na tayo. Okay? So again, about this confession or this coming new beginning or this opportunity, madalian, mabilisan. This will be like a new beginning, a new contract, new relationship. It's up to you, no? Kasi the Fool is a new beginning. Take a leap of faith. It's up to you kung if you wanna take this or not. Pakiramdaman nyo ang inyong intuition and pag-aralan nyo rin kung tama ba na if na tanggapin itong opportunity na ito. Okay? Kasi iba-iba yung mga energy dito, And again, this is collective, mga kapatid. Kunin nyo lang, guys. Kung saan ka na-personal, kung hindi naman, wag naman. Wag lang tayong magalit, Okay, Spirit Guardians, yes or no sa mga collective. Guys, please pause the video and think about the question, and the answer will be yes or no. Alright, Spirit Guardians. Okay, guys, ready? Okay, Spirit Guardians, yes or no sa aking mga collective, please. Yes or no. Collective, yes or no sa kanilang tanong. So we have here yes. burden. Okay, itong mga pagod. May mga pagod na dito, mga struggle. But again, guys, despite all the struggles, you will be receiving this new opportunity, a new beginning from the universe. Or whatever situation in, may darating sa inyo. Huwag lang kayo mawala ng pag-asa, okay? Overburdened, overloaded, responsibility, stress, problems, weight on shoulder, duties, drudgery or obligation, saddled, restricted, burnout, uphill struggle taken for granted. So, yes, do not let anybody to take advantage of you. Okay, especially sa mga palautang dyan kasi may sensing na somebody might gonna ask you help or magsisinungaling, gagawa-gawa pa ng mga storya. Yun pala ay hindi pala totoo. Again, follow your intuition, guys, ha. And meron naman dito na may magbabalik at siguro malaking binigay mong tulong sa kanya noon, and this person is going to offer you a new beginning, a new offer. So it's up to you guys if you want to take this offer or may magbabayad din sa inyo ng utang. So it's an opportunity na finally this person is coming back na magbayad ng utang. Wow, congratulations sa mga nagbayad ng utang sa inyo. And so hanggang dito na mga kapatid, sa nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. Ingat po kayo palagi and please leave your comment below what you think about this reading. Nag-enjoy po ako at natutuwa po ako na mabasa yung mga sweetness overload na message nyo dito sa aking any of my tarot reading videos. At I miss you guys. I love you all. Palagi yan. And leave your comment below and I love you guys at mag-ingat-ingat po kayo palagi. Alright, so ingat po kayo and I really hope to see you guys in the next reading.